occupying positions. So, Liam, what are you saying when people said you are bored? Over to you.
Thank you.
Your time.
No, this is now a video call between me and the Patriots.
Yeah, sure.
All right? That's all it is. But I'm going to share something after I've said what I said now. I'm going to share something that's very personal. I just shared it now when we were in the Thanksgiving service. But when people say that I was bored, it says to me that people are saying that I don't have a concrete value system. It says to me that people are saying that I wasn't raised right, as if you can buy a person. And when press says a thing like that is racist, it's absolutely racist, because it then comes to say that colored people can't decide for themselves where they want to be. They must now decide based on money. We can go where money is, because what's implied behind that now is that people are saying they also don't have their own. They are always going to be dependent off of where money is. And that is something I want to put straight. My parents, my mother, my grandmother, my father, all of these people worked so hard to raise me into what I am today, and worked so hard to instill values in me that come from the Bible for me to be bought in 2025. It was never ever going to happen. It didn't happen. In fact, this entire decision is a decision that comes from here, because you can't fake a decision like this. And when we're doing the Thanksgiving service now, I shared something that I never shared on the internet before, and I'm going to share it again. The day before I got sworn in as a member of parliament, this is a story that I haven't shared. The day before I got sworn in as a member of parliament, my mother was crying. She was crying. We had to share a room at the hotel, because that's where Parliament booked everyone in. And I didn't know what was going on with my mother. I didn't know why she was crying. But my mother was crying because she said that she had lost her son. And I asked why. She says, you're starting to talk like them. You're starting to be like them. You're starting to act like them. And she says all of this, and at the time I didn't know what she was saying. But she had assured me that the prayers of a mother is prayers that go directly up to God's ears, and God takes them seriously. So when she did that, when she told me that, I didn't understand it. But now that I'm here, now that ek hier is, saam met mense, I understand what she was praying about, and I understand it with my whole entire heart. And I say that to say, a woman that loves me so much was never ever going to raise me with values that are as fickle as what people on the internet are suggesting. With values that are as fickle as what people in comment sections are suggesting. That's the first thing. The second thing is, there's people that are now saying also, jy is nou stil gemaak. Jy is nou gekoop dat jy stil gemaak is. That you can't say anything anymore. That your social media is now, hulle het jou plat gemaak. Not the case. Nou is ek worse. Because previously, I could only do oversight in 8 provinces. Northern Cape, Northwest, Free State, Eastern Cape, KZN, Mpumalanga, Gauteng, and Limpopo. Now, I can go and do oversight in the Western Cape as well. Now, I can be honest with the videos that I was doing. And I'm going to go everywhere in the Western Cape as well. Because not all that glitters is gold. It isn't perfect. It is very, very far from perfect. Our people are still living in poverty. Our people are still sitting without jobs. Our people are still walking into sewer that is flowing into their houses. Our people are still living with informal settlements that is set up with illegal immigrants, wherever they are. These are things that I'm going to be showing now. And Prez also said it's wherever. Wherever. Whether the DA is governing, whether the ANC is governing, whether we are governing. Ek kom kyk julle almal. Ek is net so. Ek kom kyk julle almal. Ek kom vra my, wat skit hierso? Die hond lyk my is baie los hierso my. Dis die tussens was in dis die nie my. Because we are honest in this party. We transparent in this party. So I'm going to be looking everywhere. Julle gaan nou alles sien. As die swembaddens in Northwest wat hier in die Weskaap is. As die paaie in die Northwest en Northern Cape wat hier in die Weskaap is. Die goed is dieselfde. Because when you compare to what's going on in other parts of the country. You compare it here, it's like comparing bad with worse. We're going to compare everything, and we're going to show everything. And that's why I want to say, everything that's going on here, everything that's going to happen from this point onwards, is not a toned down version of Liam Jacobs. This is Liam Jacobs on max volume. Because there's people around me now that are saying, be yourself, be who you are. And that is the Patriotic Alliance. That is why there's many people in the country that are looking at the Patriotic Alliance and saying, I want to come to the Patriotic Alliance. Because this is an organization that actually represents everybody in South Africa. You can see it. So that's why I'm happy to be here. And you can see, ek glow sommer. Kyk hoe shine ek. Press, ek shine. Ek shine. Ek het nie Vaseline opgesit nie, maar ek shine.
Ek het Vaseline op. Ek shine. Listen, you heard for yourself. You know, Liam.